Hello there, this is a Galactica Transticker with another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a bass using just a kick drum sample. So firstly, in the track type window, under instrument you select multi-sampler and stereo. Click create. Now in the inspector, click the middle of the sampler, which opens the sampler. Now I'm going to get my kick drum sample, which is there, and I'm going to drag it into the sampler. So it has to be optimized zone per file. Now it has used that sample and created a pitch. So to create it into a bass, there's a kick drum at the moment, as you can see, you go to mode, forward, and as you can see it's looped it. So now we've got that. I can create a different sort of sound by moving the loop along the waveform. So I quite like that one. So at the moment it's got a very fast attack, so it's got like a click when it, as you can hear it. So I don't want that. I want a more smoother bass. So to do that, I go to synth, I go to the envelope here, envelope 1, and I'm going to make the attack slower. If you find that your sample is a little bit out of tune, you can adjust that here under the pitch. And you can also have the option of fine-tuning it as well. Okay, so remember to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and see you again.